All right, we good to go? We look good? We tight? Mic on?
How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough, and welcome back. Here with me is Hoss.
What up?
You've probably seen him in Harry's videos, but today we are opening some Sneaker Flea mystery boxes that we both purchased. I got 3, you got 4.
So we have 7.
We have 7. I posted that I bought 3. I think he saw it, and then bought one more. So
I would have, but I actually was gonna buy 4 because I figured there's a really good chance, since I bought one before, that this would be my.
How many did you buy last time?
I only bought 1. I think I only bought 1.
No, I think you bought 2. Or 2 or 3.
Yeah.
You didn't buy just 1.
No, I bought 1. I only bought 1 because it came with 2 t-shirts.
Okay.
Yeah, so I bought 1 last time. I thought I'd buy 4 more. That way I'd have 5 total. So statistically, if they're doing 20 out of every 99, that's about 1 in 5.
Yeah.
So I gave myself a chance to win.
And that was kind of my thinking. I bought 3, 4 would have been like what, $600?
Yeah.
5 something. So I spent about $400. I went ahead and
I have
took,
no idea how much mine cost. I just was like, I want boxes.
So basically, these Sneaker Flea boxes, they're like 130 bucks. You can get like antisocial t-shirts, you can get Babe t-shirts, Supreme t-shirts, Travis Scott in the boxes. So you get your money back through the t-shirts, but you have the opportunity to win things like in these Dior Jordan 1s, Sean Witherspoon's, a bunch of other sneakers that are worth a lot more than 100 bucks. So hopefully we've got, our packages look totally different. So mine,
And I just have 1 more box than you do. So it's a very different package.
yeah, so I got 3, so that'd be 6 t-shirts.
Yours looks janky. I'm not gonna lie. Yours looks like regular priority mail.
Yeah.
Send it out in a regular box. This looks special.
And
Like,
guys,
they took time with this.
the weight of this, I would say this feels like 6 t-shirts.
Oh, this
You
is.
can-
This is
it's
pretty,
heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
It's way heavier than yours.
Yeah,
That's what's
you-
weird.
Yeah, that's much heavier than mine.
So his feels like there's a lot less weight in it. The box is bigger but less weight.
That
So-
might be negative. Maybe. I mean, if there's more stuff in there, maybe you got something and I didn't.
So some of the prizes, let me read them off. So Dior Jordan 1s, Chunky Dunkies, MCA Off-Whites, Shattered Backboards, Sean Witherspoon's, Travis Scott Air Forces, a bunch of Supreme box logo t-shirts, Off-White clothing, Yeezys. So maybe you got clothing.
I think we should make a bet if one of us has something.
I did want to mention this. If either one of us wins Dior Jordan 1s, you have to give the other person 500 bucks.
Okay, we're done with that. All right.
I'm gonna hop in here
Surprise!
to explain. I think Hoss has something because if you get a large prize, it will come with a golden ticket. But if it's like a t-shirt or a hoodie, they typically put it in there to save from having to ship again. So that's why he could have like a box logo tee in here that's shoved in, and he could just have, you never know. So they
But if it's
don't
a bigger box, then it seems like it's more likely I got something, but not a Dior Jordan 1, for example, because they would have just put a ticket like this.
you could still have a ticket in there. If you're getting a big item, you're not going to get it in here because I think that they want the person who wins the big item to call in and make sure
Right,
to
right.
confirm.
Authenticate it.
Yeah, and not get lost in a box.
Plus,
like
they insure it differently
yeah,
and everything.
exactly. So I wanted to hop on. Sorry, interrupted the video.
Wait, what if both of us get something?
That would be amazing. It's also weird. I got a priority box. Yours is parcel select.
Exactly. It's
Different
weird, right?
shipping. Yours came way faster
Because
than mine. Mine took forever to get
You know
here.
what? I know that Priority Mail has a max on the insurance.
Does it?
Yes. I think it's
Also,
1,000%.
this is not rigged. They bought these completely themselves. I work with Sneaker
Yeah.
Flea, but they bought it because of me. They have no clue who they are. So
Yeah. This isn't like
if they
affiliated
win,
with-
it's not because I put or told them to put a ticket in there. I wouldn't do that.
I wanted to mention that too. Thank you for saying that. This isn't like any affiliation. Harry does them, but we just bought these to see and show you guys, like, just buying them as, you know, the average consumer, what it's like. So, all right, so I'm going to start with mine. Hopefully I get some Travis Scott t-shirts. That's what I'm really wanting to get. That ASSC t-shirt that you got,
Whoa, take it easy.
I actually really like that a lot.
Which one?
The floral one.
Oh,
I think
yeah,
you
the
got
black
it too.
one. Yeah.
I think Harry got it too, maybe.
I like that a lot. I actually like the
Are
teal
these
one too.
individually packaged? Like inside here is more priority bags. Do you know?
I don't know. But are you gonna take them all out at once, or are you gonna take one at a time?
Okay, so it's just the t-shirts are just in here, so I'll just take them out one at a time to show you guys. I went with the extra large sizes. If there's anything that I don't like in here, I'll put it on my website, ATL Locals. But you can see the first t-shirt in there, Harry's trying to peek, is a ASSC t-shirt.
Don't peek, just pull them out one at a time.
Pull them out one at a time.
Oh, there's something. Oh no. Who's on the shirt?
All right, so the first one we got here, I'll go ahead and open it, is an ASSC Playboy t-shirt,
Playboy bunny, yeah.
black and pink. Pretty cool.
I like it. I like the colors.
I
I'm
like
less
the
of a fan of the
colors.
Playboy thing.
I'm not a huge fan of like large graphics on the front of t-shirts. I like it on the back. On the front, I wish this was like smaller, like maybe center of the chest, but smaller. So we'll see. Maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I'll throw it on my website. But I like the colors for sure.
So what do we think this is actually worth right now?
What do I think that's worth?
Yeah, I'm gonna look it up. You tell me what you think it's worth.
60 bucks.
Well, your ASSC Playboy shirt
Okay,
is
so
going
see-
for about $99. Grailed has it for $79.
Farfetch and
Stadium
Grailed,
Goods.
99 bucks.
Yeah.
Cool. So $100 t-shirt, first one out of the box. I mean, that's a win.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's more than half of what I paid. So
Should we keep going with your box? Is this open, or should we open mine and get one in? I feel like if
I'll
we
pull
open,
another one. I'll pull another one. I'll pull.
well, how many?
Because that'll be $1.
Because you're gonna get what, 6? You get
I'm
6.
getting 6 t-shirts.
Yeah.
There's definitely 6 t-shirts.
Okay,
in here,
okay.
for sure.
All right, let's see.
Next one out of the bag or box is a Bape
Bape.
tee. I'm not a Bape fan, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wouldn't wear it. It's a cool brand. I like some of the sneaker releases. T-shirt wise, not gonna wear it, but this is the t-shirt that I got.
All right.
How much do you think this one's going for?
I don't know. This is like a zipper
probably-
face graphic thing.
Yeah,
$100.
it's what, shark face?
I sell those all day, 90, $100.
So StockX has it for 138.
138. That's crazy.
StockX has it for 166. Another
depending
listing.
on the color. All right, so far value-wise, I'm doing really well. I probably wouldn't wear these really, but value-wise, I'm definitely getting my money's worth. I'll pull one more. This one's out of the box. Hey, Travis Scott. All right.
Hey, that's what he wanted.
That's what I wanted, so let's see what we got. It says, I paid for this in Rage, highest in the room. This is pretty cool. This is something I'd wear. It's more simple. I might like tie-dye this or something. I don't really like white t-shirts, but this is actually a cool graphic. So this one I'm definitely gonna keep. I don't know what the value would be on this. There it is, 75 bucks.
75 on StockX. Grailed has it for 48. Grailed
50,
seems
50
like
bucks,
a good
50,
deal
60
each
bucks.
time.
You can get some good deals on Grailed.
Looks like.
I
A
use
lot of
it.
stuff on Grailed is going to be used as well.
Oh, really?
Not new.
Okay.
I feel like a lot of it's new.
Well, I'd say
Depending
it's
on-
more 50-50. StockX, everything is
Well,
new.
yeah, StockX, everything's new.
No golden tickets, and you're halfway through.
I'm halfway through. No golden tickets.
Should we start
yet.
opening mine?
Yeah, let's start.
All
opening
right.
yours.
You should check out the values too.
All right.
I should ask Harry how you open these things without actually looking in it. Like,
Close your eyes.
I don't know, guys.
Do you want me to look in it first?
No. Don't look.
I saw something.
You did? Is it a T-shirt?
It was.
All right. The
That's what I
first
saw.
is an ASSC black T-shirt. Well, let me put this down so you can't cheat. Look at things. All right. Which one is this? This is the
Ooh, a long sleeve.
long sleeve. Nice. Oh, get weird.
It's not too big.
I'm down with getting weird.
That's a good.
It's
just
pretty
basic-
plain.
Yeah, just basic.
But it says
t-shirt.
get weird on the sleeves. Look that up.
SSC.
Look that up, Blake. Wait, how come you got short sleeves and I got a long sleeve? What do we got?
Used on Grailed, 60 bucks. New, 70 bucks. All
right.
95 bucks.
60,
70. Yeah, so
All
you're
right.
probably this one's in the bag, 70 bucks on Grailed. So
All right, I'm getting a second one here.
yours. Why did yours feel so much lighter than mine?
I don't know. Maybe because I have long sleeves too.
Yeah,
Maybe because of the surface area of the larger box.
maybe
makes
it's the
it feel
size. Extra large versus
Oh, it's mine are larges.
smalls.
Yeah, yours. Yours are girthier.
Yeah,
All right. So this is the what does it say?
that one's cool.
It's a maroon logo tee. So it's just regular.
I've got that.
It's almost like Virginia.
Well, I do
Tech
too
colors.
now. Maroon logo
Maroon.
tee. Yeah. Because with ASSC, it's kind of a guess. Like you don't know if it's something you would wear. I mean, if you get a mystery box, it's obviously a
That one's
guess.
$100 on Stadium
'Cause it's
Goods and
maroon.
Farfetch.
Yeah. Half the time
VA.
I see ASSC stuff, I'm like, I don't know if I'd rock that. But like, you know, the flat colors, I think I would. I
Yeah,
like that.
I like that one. All right, so we'll go back to my box.
What? You did 3, I did 2. I'll
You wanna do one more?
Yeah.
All right.
This is fun. So if I have,
I'm beating you in value right now.
so with 7 boxes, we should have 14 items.
Potentially, yeah.
Okay.
Some of the shirts are worth more. So they
Yeah,
get one.
like you could get a V-Lone tee, I think.
Oh, this is cool.
It could be worth more.
This is a neighborhood one.
Talk more, Hoss.
Well, I'm so excited, I can't. This
Another
is
get weird. All right, so
Filth Fury. Get
okay,
Weird.
there's
That's
one of
all
those
you.
on eBay right now for $569.
What?
but
That.
on
that's just
Grail,
a li-
there's
yeah.
on Grail,
That's-
there's a white one for 70.
Does it have like a pentagram?
That's what that is,
Isn't
right?
this like devil worship type stuff?
Yeah, you want to sell that one. Yeah, it looks like that one's like 75, 80 bucks.
I mean, I'm down with Beelzebub. All right, we're going back
Next.
to Blake's box.
We got an RSVP
I've seen
gallery.
that shirt.
Yeah. So, no golden ticket yet.
Can you hear his
Oh,
disappointment?
this one's got,
no golden ticket
it's
yet.
got a G-Wagon on the back.
Yeah, Harry has his T-shirt and he wore it to a FlexCast
Yes.
taping. By
So
the way,
anybody's got a
FlexCast.
G-Wagon that wants to buy this shirt, I'll put it on my website.
Yeah, Steve wants to buy it, and if you haven't heard it, check out the FlexCast.
Down below.
Down below, check out the FlexCast. It's Harry, Steve, and I. We do a podcast. It's dope as every week-ish.
Blake and Nick will be on there at some point.
At some point.
If we ever get invited.
You want to be on the FlexCast?
Yeah, I'll be on Flexcast. Let's make it sneaker related.
If you like money, sneakers, and cars,
If you
it's
like
the podcast.
being rich, Hoss is perfect podcast.
All right, we'll add that on there.
This t-shirt is going right now for like 80 to 100 bucks. Grailed 98,
That's pretty good.
85 on bump.
I think you should definitely sell that to Steve.
Blake peeking.
I just peeked.
Oh, we just saw it.
Does he have one?
He got something. He got something!
There's a golden ticket.
Here's a
This-
goal! Sing it! Let's go! Sing it! We don't know what it is though. He's so excited. He's so excited.
behind on it.
Come on, come on, come on. We got this. Come on. Check it out.
Should we let Harry look at it first?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that. Don't look. Don't let us see. Look at his face.
Oh, it dropped.
Oh,
Ooh. That's pretty. You got your money's worth out of this one.
Let's go!
All right. Should we save it or should we let him look at it now?
Should we say? Let's look at the last
Save
t-shirt.
it, yeah,
Put,
save it.
put it in your pocket. Give him the T-shirt. Here.
All right, we'll open this one.
He
So,
got one.
Let's go!
Can I ask one question? Am I gonna make 500
Oh,
bucks?
shit.
Oh, you can see in the back.
I didn't look at it.
I can see part of what's written on there.
I didn't see
I
it.
saw part of it.
All right,
It's
don't
gonna
tell
be-
me.
It's
Don't
gonna
tell
be
me.
dope.
All right.
It's gonna be dope. Do I get 500 bucks though?
No. Oh, I should have waited for that.
All right. This is exciting already.
This is exciting. All right, so we've got like a Tiffany ASSC t-shirt. This one's looking like my type
like
of
that.
style.
I like that. If it weren't in giant size, I'd trade you for it.
It's pretty cool. I like this one. Just a simple box in
love
the
that.
center of the chest.
That's cool.
Pretty cool
I like
t-shirt.
that.
I'll definitely keep this one and wear it. Dude, I got a golden ticket. All right, we'll open the last t-shirt here. This feels like a long this feels like a long sleeve. I think I got the same one as you.
Oh, the Get Weird one?
I think so. I like this one. I was kind of jealous that you got it. Got a nice boxy long sleeve t-shirt. Get weird on the
So we
sleeves.
can both keep those and then be matching on our
Yeah,
next
we
video.
can. Yeah, next video, next mystery box video.
Yeah, you guys wish you could get this sweet MLG hoodie. This is old school. You had to be a real gamer and then play in the basements of hotels.
Blake's like, shut up, I want to see what I got.
Yeah, I need to see.
I'm trying to lay him. I'm trying to lay him.
Let's do the rest of your box. Let's do the rest of your box.
And then see if...
Yeah.
You know what's going to suck is if you got a golden ticket off your little box and I got nothing.
Now watch y'all both get one, and then we reveal the golden tickets at
Oh
the
my
end.
goodness. That's exciting!
And then we can do a wager and say, you guys can swap it.
Ooh,
No,
ticket.
we're not swapping.
Who got the most hype ticket?
That's a gamble. This
That
is
is-
a gamble.
that is kinda cool.
That's like the ultimate.
All right,
You
gamble.
get
I'm not-
one, we have to do that.
Yeah.
And Haas ends up with the Dior's.
I'm gonna see. I don't want to pull some. Oh, this is not even wrapped.
Ooh.
Was this used?
Are we
I think it's
matching
the-
again?
This is the same one.
We're matching again.
This is the paid for and rage T-shirt. All right, we got similar T-shirts.
Do you like that one?
Yeah, I do actually like this one. I think the one I like least so far is the Playboy one, which I
Yeah.
still might get actually.
If it was the bunny was smaller, I'd wear it.
I'm actually really happy with every. I'd wear every single one that I've got.
I'd wear.
You wouldn't wear your
half.
Bape. Yeah, you
I'd
would wear
half.
Bape, and you wouldn't wear the.
I'll wear the Travis Scott one. So I'll wear 3 out of 6.
So I'm supposed to get 8, and I've got 4, so I'm halfway through. Let's see what the next one is. Oh, it's the same.
We got the same
I
box.
think we have to open this. This is exactly the same thing. This is the.
Yeah, keep it in the bag. You sell it. For
Yeah,
more
exactly.
probably.
I do like that. I actually will keep that. I'm not going to sell it. It's like the one that I'm not opening that I'm actually going to keep because I like that a lot.
Come on, golden ticket.
I don't feel a golden ticket yet. Oh, Playboy Bunny one. Look at that. This is helpful to not have to open
Yeah,
them.
I went ahead and did all the damage.
All right. Now I'm down to what? So this is
Harry's keeping count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm down to my last 2, my last box. I've opened 3 boxes so
3
far.
boxes.
peek in there?
No golden tickets. Let Harry peek in there.
All right, come peek at it. Come peek.
Hard to see. Looking a little slim in there.
Man.
There's 2 shirts in there, but
Maybe they just gave me the brown box
You might not hit.
because they wanted to stuff 2 more T-shirts in there.
Maybe they ran out of priority boxes.
Oh, nice.
That's cool.
Harry actually sold this.
no, I wear it.
Is this one you still have?
Yeah.
He had some orange stuff, and I was like, don't sell it. I want it. Nice.
Hoss is sad now.
The whole vibe just.
I want a golden ticket. No, I think it's
try
great.
again.
I still think it's good because I still am happy with the ones that I got, and I can sell the ones that I don't want, but I still think it's totally worth it. All right. Last one.
Make sure it didn't like fall off.
How many have you bought total now?
This is my first time.
I bought 5. It's okay.
It's not rigged.
It's all right. And it's the G-Wagon
The
shirt.
G-Wagon. Steve,
G-Wagon shirt.
you can have 2. All right, golden ticket reveal. Golden ticket.
You ready?
Yeah, just put it in my hand and I'll.
What do you think it is?
Yeah, take a guess.
It's not a Dior Jordan.
All right, let me
1.
look at the list. I'm not
No,
looking.
no,
No, I'm just looking at the list.
Oh, okay.
All right, so select boxes will have golden tickets for Dior Air Jordan 1s, Chunky Dunkies, Off-White Air Force 1 MCAs, Shattered Backboard 1.0s. That would be sick. Air Max
These are
Sean
orange.
Witherspoons.
I like
There's 2 tickets for those. So the first items I listed, those only have 1 ticket. Travis Scott Air Force 1 Sales, Jordan 1 Satins, 2 tickets for those. Yeezy Sneakers, 5 tickets. Supreme Box Logo T-shirts, 5 tickets. Off-White Clothing and Accessories, 5 tickets. But for every 100 boxes they sell, they add 20 tickets. So like some of these, if they sell more boxes, they add more of these items unless it's a 1 ticket max. So with all that said, ooh, nice. Jordan 1 Obsidian UNC in a 9.5. These I actually have in my size, which is,
That's not on the list.
it's not listed.
But they sell more boxes, they just add.
They added- oh, I see, I see
They
what
added
you're
other things. So this sneaker right here I actually have in my size already, 11, but these have skyrocketed
So you
in
can
price.
So you can give it to me then, right?
$550
What size are you?
right now.
I'm
9.
11.
11?
10.5.
10.5, 11? Oh,
That's
yeah.
a 9.5.
This is a 9.5. So
He thought
this is
about it though.
amazing.
How nice is that?
So thank you, Sneaker Flea. This is awesome. I guess I gotta contact you guys.
It does say
says
email us.
Email us.
Those are currently going for $545.
$545. I purchased
Awesome.
them not that long ago. I think right before the Jordan documentary for like $270.
And you bought the mystery box for how much?
I paid $416, $417, something like that. It was 3 boxes, like 130 plus shipping and taxes. It's like four something. So
So that's a value.
that is a value. Haas is all about value. I got the better value today.
You did. Blake won, guys. But I'm okay with that because if one of us wins, we all win. I feel like. I mean,
Even
I'm
if-
happy that he got something. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I felt like, especially with your brown box, that you won and I did. But I felt like one of us had a golden ticket. I texted him last night to schedule this, and I was like, I have a good feeling. I
Yeah,
have
he
a
did
good
say
feeling,
that. He had a
so-
good feeling because he was gonna get one. That's why you had a good feeling. I didn't have any feelings.
No
'cause
feelings.
I had no tickets.
Sad feelings. That's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for Haas for doing this with me. We'll probably do it again. There is a huge one coming. You can get the entire Nike Air Yeezy 2 set. That would be insane.
Yeah.
You might not know that, but that would be
I
insane.
didn't know that, but I don't know how many boxes I'm gonna
It
have
would
to
be
buy.
more than it's worth more than the Dior's for sure.
So far, I've spent like what, $700 something on mystery
I
boxes.
think
so
next
far.
time, I think I'm gonna go with 3 again.
Well, you should not change what you've been doing. Maybe I need to just go to 3.
Yeah, just go to 3. Maybe 4's overdoing it there. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.